Do you see the light at the end of the tunnel, flickering for you? If you hold on tight, we'll come out of the rubble, stronger than you. It's hard to find a will to fight, and all you can do is survive, but it's waiting on the other side. It's gonna get better one day, the pain's gonna fade away. If you just hang on a little longer, hang on a little longer. If you got to pay, your miracle is on its way. If you just hang on a little longer, hang on a little longer. It's waiting on the other side. If you open up your way, you can find a way to fight deep inside. It's gonna get better one day. The pain is gonna fade away. If you just linger a little longer. If you